What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Right now, I'm on the highway. I'm on my way to Copart. I'm going to inspect the Lamborghini Murcielago. I just want to make sure that the engine runs properly, and that the clutch and everything, because it's a 6-speed manual. So making sure the clutch, the transmission works properly, the engine runs properly, things of that nature. I already see the damage on the car, but I want to get a closer look too to see if the frame rails are hit or anything like that too. So I'm just on the way to do that, inspect the car, see how it runs, and I'll definitely be bidding on it when it comes up for auction, because it's not up for auction yet. It's not going to be easy, as you know. I let people know it all the time. I'm not rich. I don't have a whole bunch of money. I'm okay. I will be bidding on the car, but I know and understand that there's going to be people who have deep pockets that are going to be bidding against me. Hopefully I'll win the car. It's not going to be easy. I ain't just going to be like, oh, my bid automatically going to win, because I'm sure there's going to be people who want the car just as much, if not more, than I do. So I'll be bidding on it. Hopefully I'll win when it comes up for auction. But I also got 2 other backup cars that I need to go see. 2 other Lamborghinis, they're Gallardos, and I'm pretty sure I can get them for much cheaper than I can get the Murcielago for anyway. Yeah, it's 2 Gallardos. I'm in New York right now going to inspect the Murcielago. One of the Gallardos is in New Jersey. The other one, I'm trying to remember what state. I believe it's in Missouri. I think it's in St. Louis, the third car. But altogether, so far, there's 3 I want to go take a look at. Well, the one in St. Louis, I probably ain't got time to go check that one out, because I run around, I'll be having too much to do. So I don't think I'll have time to go all the way to St. Louis to inspect that one. If I'm ever in the area before it comes up for auction, I'll definitely go check it out. The one in New Jersey, I'll probably go check out in the next few days before I leave New York. I don't got no problem telling you where the car is at, because you're gonna see, if you go on Copart, you'll see it anyway. So I don't care if people know. I ain't got nothing to hide. But give me a minute. I'm on the LIE right now, so I'll be back with you in 1 minute as soon as I get to the auction and I'm able to get there and inspect the car. Okay, y'all. I'm at Copart now, going to inspect the Lambo. I just gotta walk down this long little road and around the gate. They got it inside the shop, so I just gotta do this paper. Well, I ain't gonna show you the paper because I got a picture of my driver's license on it. And you don't need to know my address. I don't need no stalkers and no weirdos. But anyway, I'm going to inspect the Lambo. I'll be there in a minute. Okay, y'all, here we are. Here's the Murcielago. I'm looking at the damage. It doesn't appear, no, there's no frame damage. Needs a headlight. This can be repaired, so you don't have to change the fenders. We already know it needs a bumper. The fenders is good. It needs a right headlight. As you can see, the whole frame is intact. There's no frame damage. It must have went under something or hit a gate or something. This looks like that's part of the bumper that's broken up. This is all like part of what goes, all up in here. Where the tub is probably, the tub is right here. The tub might be salvageable. So far, bumper, headlight. I believe there's 2 cooling fans that go up front. Fans. As you can see, the airbags are not deployed, which is a good thing. It's a 6-speed manual. The car's inside. They don't have the keys in it, so I can't start it. Hold on, got my finger over the camera. This is how you open the door. Push there, lift. The door struts are perfect. This is a pretty good car. Like I said, they don't have the keys in the car. I have to turn my light on. See if I can, where the hell's the light? Light. I don't know. I can't find, for some reason, I can't find my flashlight on here. Just deal with me. This is the interior. It's a little dark in here, but it's in pretty decent. The interior is in perfect shape. Let me see. Okay. Pop the bonnet. Check the engine. This is how you open the back. Get to the engine. Okay. Everything appears to be in pretty good shape. The battery obviously isn't dead because I see lights on it in the interior. Yeah, everything's in pretty decent shape with the car. There's no damage on the back. The car is listed as a running drive. Like I said, unfortunately, the keys are not in the car, so I can't start it. They have it inside the shop. That's why. So for obvious reasons, carbon monoxide. If it was outside, the keys would be in it. In the photos from online, the keys were in the car because the car was originally outside, but they bought it in the shop. So it's okay. It's all good. I'd be willing to believe that the car runs and drives with no problem. I'll be inclined to say that. Like I said, it is a 6-speed manual, which makes it more valuable. I do want this car. I really want this car. Make sure the gas cap is there. People do steal these. Yeah. That thing right there is about $1,200 to replace. Make sure it's there. Like I said, everything appears to be intact. Okay, that's locked. Oh, damn. This car is... Okay. Okay. Appears to go through all the gears properly. Yeah, for those who have never driven a Lamborghini, there's a lockout for reverse, because reverse is to the left. See, you can't just throw it in reverse. You can go first, second. To go in reverse, you have to push the stick down, then go to reverse. But everything appears to be good in here. The interior is in mint condition. This is a very clean car. It's just hitting the front. I want this car. I will get this car. Unless somebody just really wants it that bad and outbids me, I will be getting it. Mark my word. I'm a hustler. I'm in the business of making money. When I want something, I get it. I work hard to get it. I'm going to grind extra hard. So don't come around me with negativity. Don't come around me with anything that's going to slow me down. Because for the next few months, I'm going to be grinding hard, extra hard to get this car. This will be mine. Unless, of course, somebody just outbids me to an extreme where I can't compete.